So we're back in our classroom, in our demo classroom, and we want to, organize this classroom. Now, let's say you're going to organize your classroom in the way that your syllabus or your curriculum organizes the information for you to teach your students. You simply go to create, go down to the topic, and then you'll see just type in the first topic from the syllabus topic one. Good. Say there's another topic from the syllabus. So say boss topic two, and syllabus topic 3. Now we notice the very last topic that we make, or the very last section that we make, is at the top, but we want it in descending order, 1, 2, 3, or I should say ascending order, 1, 2, 3. Now it is simple. Left click, you'll grab it, and you can move topic 1 up. Left click on topic 2, you can grab, drag, and drop. Good. Now we have 3 topics from our syllabus that we can use. Now, before you start to add anything to your topics, such as material, I will advise for my colleagues to start by setting up the page. But before we go to the setting, I would like you to notice that on the left side of the screen here, you have all your topics, and this is actually a menu for your classwork page. So if I select on topic 1, it would just send me to all the material that is in the section that marks syllabus topic 1. If I should select on 2, it will send me to the section of topic 2, and select that one, it sends me to the section for topic 3. Now let's go back to all my topic. If I press all topic, I'm back at the default page, default look of the main look of the classwork page. Now you go to the gear right here, which is a setting button. You select on it, you will see the name of the class that you input when you just started, the subject. Now you'll see your class code. Please note, manage invite class code tells you if you can turn your class code on or off, or you can reset your class code. So in the case that you have a troublesome child who takes your class code and give it to someone to intrude in your class, there is a safety feature which you can use. You can press on enable and you can reset the class code. Now the class code is presently GWWDOD6. I can reset that class code, and here it is, HQ4FUPO. That's the new class code. Now the invite link, I can press on this to maximize, to copy, my apologies, to copy my class link to email or to WhatsApp. Now I can press on that to maximize it. I can click down here to copy the link also. Now with the stream, you can manage what the child does, your student does. You can give them permission to post and comment. You can allow them to comment only on the posts that you make, or if you don't want them to comment or post, you can select where only the teacher can post or comment. Now, the condensed form, hide notification, this really shows how the information is presented on your stream page. Now show deleted items, you don't have to turn that on. You don't really want your student to see what you have deleted. Now with the people page, which shows you the list of teachers and the list of students, you can turn this on so that your guardian will get a summary. So the parent of a student are able to get a summary every week, every month, or every year. Now, excuse me there. Now my meet link, I can also reset my meet link so that students does not copy and paste the meet link that is visible to them to give it to their friends. Good. So I can go ahead, reset, and you see out here at F, and now it is starting with D. Now I know most schools going down, I know most schools will have a preferred grade scheme. Now what you want to do, you will want to click on overall grade, right? And since most schools break down their grade, what you want to do, you want to go down to weighted by category, and then you now will have the opportunity to input the different category. So most schools use homework, classwork, and tests. So let's go down to add grade category, and let's say HW for homework, and let's put that at 20%. Let's add a new, but before you move forward, you can see that you don't have to work with a calculator. Google Classroom is already calculating the amount of percentage that you have remaining. So I have 80% remaining. So classwork, I can say, all right, classwork is 30%. Now I see I have a remaining 50, and since it's 3 category, I can say, all right, the test is the remaining 50. And then I go up here and I save. I will be sent directly back to my classwork page. Voila. Now why did I do that? Now this is seen mostly when you're adding or creating new assignments. Now if I should click on create, select an assignment, name my assignment. Well, if you notice, the prompts are coming up randomly, periodically. Now Google Classroom is like that. It guides you. Now, if I name, say I am teaching music, since it's on music. So let's say reggae. We're looking at reggae, so this worksheet is on reggae. And I have to do some housekeeping. I can go, I can add a file from my Google Drive, I can add a link from a website. I can copy the website, select link, and I could paste the link right here. Alright, let's cancel that. I can copy a file from my computer by going to upload. When I press back up a bit so that you can see again, I press file, it's coming from my computer. I want to take something from my computer and put it on in my classroom. So I press file and I'll go over to upload and I will select browse, and I will see the box comes up and I can look where I add save my document. Now let's cancel that. I can also copy a YouTube link and paste it in here, right? Now I can also create from scratch a Word document, a PowerPoint, or a sheet. Now, what I would like to do, or what I want to do, is to ensure that I choose the class that I am working in, and I'm working with my demo class, so that's okay. If I have the option to post it to all my students or to a selected group of students. Also, I can select my grade. This is why we set up our classwork page or Google Classroom a few seconds ago. I have my homework, classwork, or test. Let's say this is a classwork, and let's say I'm marking it out of 10. And the due date, I can select my due date by going here, and also I want to see it's a classwork from topic 1, so I select from topic 1, and then I can assign. If I assign directly, this would be where the students can see it as soon as it's assigned, or I can schedule for it to be delivered at a later date, putting in the date and putting in the time. No, so let's go and schedule that. Not schedule, assign. So I see where it appears on the syllabus topic 1, and there is again. So basically that's uploading an assignment, and I will follow up on another video so that we can focus directly on creating assignment.